2019 Toyota Sequoia. Sequoia is perfect for any adventure, offering spacious comfort and style for up to 8 passengers. With Sequoia, peace of mind comes standard with 8 airbags, including an all-row side curtain airbag. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, fog lights, power windows, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, entertainment system. Come take a test drive today.